Today I'm very excited. It's an unboxing. It's not a bag unboxing, and this is quite special. It's about jewelry, and today I am unboxing a Pandora item. Let's go. Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Bienvenue. I'm bag passionate, French bag collector, fashion lover. Welcome. Today, sorry, no worry, it's fake. Today I got an unboxing. As you have seen, I got a little bag, a little Pandora bag, because I bought something. But before I will explain you why. I already have a Pandora bracelet, as you can tell, and it's the classic one, you know. And in fact, okay, let's do like this. And on this bracelet, as you can see, I've got this little chain. It's a security chain, you know. If it happens that your bracelet get open, this is the security, you don't lose it. But at the very first beginning, I got this bracelet and only this charm. You see, oh, I don't know if you see correctly. I will include pics, no worry. And I just have this bracelet and this charm. And because my bracelet is really old, and later Pandora went with those beads, you know, the one with a lot of crystals. And I went crazy. I took all the colors, as you can tell, because I wanted to make a rainbow. I love rainbow. You know, I love unicorns, I love rainbow. So I bought all beads like this because these are my favorites. And I have done this bracelet and I wear it a lot. Seriously, and you can tell because the silver got a little bit darker. That's something that silver done. It happens to tarnish a little bit. Of course, you can brush it. You have a special product to keep it clean. I have to admit, I wear it a lot, and the things that happen is that by the time it was really hurting my my wrist, and I simply stopped wearing it. I just use it from time to time to go outside at restaurant or to meet family, you know, when I've got an occasion, but I do not wear it every day like I used to. And seriously, I thought it's so sad because it's cute. I really love, and I miss this rainbow. And this Christmas, we talked with my sister and she told me, hey, you know, Pandora is really having nice item. Have a look, because I was even no more looking at the website. And so I look, not during the holidays, the Christmas holiday, a few days before, and I got an idea. Maybe I should take the item I'm going to present you and try something new. So I place my bag. So inside I got a lovely box like this, and I picked the box I like this, and I picked, yeah, you begin to see. And I also wanted this to make this video because maybe it would be a nice Valentine's gift, because it's a necklace, and look at the closure. It's an heart. Oh, the camera, but I will include pics. It's a heart, and I fell in love with this necklace. I think it's really gorgeous, and it's exact the same system as the bracelet. So you open it, and you can wear it either like this, and I think really it's simple, it's elegant, I really like it, or you can use, and you have the little heart. Okay, I'm showing you. you have this little heart like this. So if I want to wear the necklace like this, I can. My idea is to put the rainbow beads, let's call them like this, on the bracelet. So I'm going to do it right now. And here we are. Look at this. Of course the beads are darker. I will try to wash them and to make them clean. But here we are, so on me. Et voila! So here is the necklace with the beads. And I really like it. And I'm happy because I love rainbows, but now I know that I will enjoy those beads and it's okay. And the bracelet is like it used to be. So I got just this and the matching security chain. So I will place it. And so my bracelet is like when it used to be. Okay, so this is the security chain and here is the beads. I don't know if you see correctly. And seriously, I prefer it. It's lighter, and when I'm working on my desk, it's better for my wrist. So guys, that's all for today. Do you like Pandora? Do you have Pandora in your country? I know they are worldwide known, but please write me in the comments which pieces do you have, if you've got earring, ring, bracelet, necklace. I want to know everything. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, you know more videos are coming. If you're a returning viewer, please consider subscribing to my channel. It really matters for me. Thanks a lot for your support. Have a great day, take care, and we'll see us in the next video. Bye bye guys.